Tirupati Engineers, a leading effluent treatment plant provider, has been offering manifold innovative solutions to its number of prestigious clients across the country. Established in 1990 by a visionary technocrat, Mr Gandhi, today Tirupati Engineers is at the forefront in the field of establishing viable effluent treatment plant facilities. The plants installed at various cooperative sugar factories, MIDCs and municipal corporations can vouch for Tirupati Engineers' commitment for values of innovation and customer satisfaction. The effluent treatment plants with bio-towers at Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Sahakari Sakhar Karkhana in Osmanabad, at Shri Jnaneshwar Sahakari Sakhar Karkhana in Ahmednagar and at Mazalgaon Sahakari Sakhar Karkhana in Beed are the flag bearers of the new paradigm shift in the field. Besides, Tirupati Engineers has also carried out plenty of upgrades across the state of Maharashtra. Ajinkatara Sahakari Sakhar Karkhana, Sahyadri Sahakari Sakhar Karkhana, Krishna Sahakari Sakhar Karkhana in Satara, Sonhira Sahakari Sakhar Karkhana and Hutatma Sahakari Sakhar Karkhana in Sangli, Dudganga, Vedganga Sahakari Sakhar Karkhana and Reliable Sugar Private Limited in Kolhapur are just few of its proud clients. Not just the cooperative sector, but municipal corporations of Pune, Panvel and Raigad and corporates like Aqua Chemicals in Vadodara too are availing the benefits of the plants installed by Tirupati Engineers. As we know, the industrial effluent has always been a huge threat to the life surrounding the respective industrial plant. Safe, secure and standardized recycling of the effluent has always been a prime concern of all the managements. Conventional and widely accepted diffused aeration processes become ineffective when the load becomes inconsistent. To overcome the restraints of the conventional system, Tirupati Engineers has designed and developed an indigenous and cutting-edge system called Bio-Tower. This state-of-the-art system can reduce the biological oxygen demand and chemical oxygen demand level as much as to 60%. The high-quality PVC fill media, also called as Bio-Tower, is used in effluent treatment application. The trickling filters used in the Bio-Tower create maximum surface area in limited space, very high surface area, chemical and weather resistance and easy installation process are just few of the interesting facets of the Bio-Tower. The Bio-Tower offers various technical improvements such as solids contact, ventilation and utilization of plastic media. Assessments carried out at treatment plants where Bio-Tower was installed prove that Bio-Tower is the most viable solution to a multitude of effluent treatment problems. Besides saving cost, the existing plants will have manifold of advantages once they substitute it with Bio-Tower. Once you install the system with the Bio-Tower, maintenance of the system is almost negligible compared to conventional ETP systems. The minimum life expectancy of any tower is more than a decade. Compared to other upcoming techniques like reactors and biodigesters, the investment cost for Bio-Tower is very low. Certainly, Bio-Tower is emerging as the prime choice of all the decision makers as its power consumption is just 5 to 7% compared to other systems. With Pollution Control Board's norms becoming stricter, installation of Bio-Tower is certainly the need of the hour. Time has come to adapt to new change, embrace new possibilities and translate our environmental concerns into sustainable solutions. With Tirupati Engineers and its innovative solution of bio tower.